Hello viewers, how you doing out there? I hope you are doing great. I welcome you to my channel, Exec Graphics and Multimedia. If this is the first time you are watching my video on YouTube, please remember to subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of video here. All you have to do, visit the channel, click on video, and then you scroll down and see a lot of variety of video I make on CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. And also, I used to make a video on how you can run an effective advertisement on Facebook or Instagram. That is what this channel is all about. So, and whenever you watch my video, also make sure you put down your comment in the comment section down below and let me know how you feel about the content. Alright, so let's get the tutorial started. Welcome back viewers. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can create modern business card using Adobe Illustrator. Alright, so the first thing you have to do as far as this tutorial is concerned is to create a new document by go to File, then you click on New, alright, so the next thing you have to do is to type the name of your design at this particular point, modern business card. Alright, so having done that, you come to the width, make sure you type 3.5, then the height also should be 2, then here you come and select your inches. Alright, having done that, then the bleed area should be 0.125 for the top, bottom, left and right. Then come to the color mode here, make sure you select CMYK. Having done that, click on More Setting. If you are using Photoshop CC, click on More Setting. A dialog box will pop up like this. Then, having come to this stage, then you make sure that you come to Raster Effect. Make sure you select 300 pixels. Once you are done, then you click on Create a Document. Alright viewers, we have just created our page document for business card. Alright, so the next step we have to take now is to create a rectangle. Go to your tools bar, click on rectangle. Having clicked on rectangle, you select a color of your choice. Then once you select the color, make sure you take away the outline. I turn it off this way. Then you drag and draw the rectangle. Good. So having drawn a perfect rectangle like this, the next step you have to take is to go to Object. When you get to Object, select Parts. Having select Parts, look for Offset Parts. You click on it. Then make sure you type minus 0.125. Then you can preview it to see how it's going to look like. Once you are done, you click on OK. So this particular one now, we make it as our guide. So the next thing I'm going to do is to right click on it and select Make Guide. Alright, so this particular background picture shape now, we can turn it off to be white. Good. So now we have our background setting. So the next step to take is to start our design. So another bleed area we have to take note here is then you come to this place, remove the fill, then apply the outline color, you choose black, then go back to the rectangle, then you draw this intersect from up to diagonal like this. Perfect. Then this particular one now, we can remove the outline color. Good. Now we have everything set in place. So the next thing to do now is to start our business card. This particular place serves as the bleed area. Whatever you want to design should fall within this blank white background. Alright. Alright viewers, we can start to create our modern business card in Adobe Illustrator CC. So all you have to do, as you can see on my screen here, I have the concept here already. All you have to do is to watch the video from the beginning to the end and see how I apply the shape and how I apply the color. Right. So the first thing I have to do as far as this is concerned is to pick my pen tools. Having picked my pen tools, then I will now sketch a shape. And I close this part. Good. So I have to change the color to sky blue. Good. Then I'll go back to my pen tools again and make another sketch. Good. I have to close this part this way. All right. So go back to my pen tools again. But before I go to my pen tools, I have to pick my rectangle. Having pick my rectangle, then I will drag and draw a rectangle overall. Something like this. Then I'll now change the color. Go back to my eyedropper color and pick this particular color. So what I'm going to do now is that the first shape here, right click on it, arrange, bring to the front. Then this shape also, right click on it, arrange, then bring to the front. Okay, so this particular one, I will now centralize it. Good. Have them perfect in this way. So the next step I'm going to take as far as this business card is concerned is to go back to my pen tools, then make another sketch. I need another anchor here. Something here. 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 So this particular one now, we color it with yellow. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do as far as this is concerned is to go back to my pen tools again. So I need a sketch here. Close it. So this particular one, I'll color it with white. Good. So we'll go back to my pen tools again. I need tiny shape here. Close the anchor here. Go back to my eye color dropper to color this one yellow. Good. So the next step I'm going to take is how am I going to do this particular tiny shape here. Go back to my pen tools here. Then intersect. Then I close the anchor here. Then I will now pick the background color. Good. So the next step I'm going to take is to go back to my pen tools again. And I need another anchor point here. Close the part that way. Good. So having done that, I'm done with the sketch shape. So the next step I'm going to take is to input the text to my business card. Right. So the first is just a simple thing you have to do. All you have to do is to go to your text tools. When you get to your text tools, then you type the card holder name. Then press Ctrl A to highlight it. Then come to the font size style here. Select the font style of your choice. In this tutorial, I use Roboto. Select Roboto and Roboto Black. If you are interested to get this font, you can get it from my description. So you get the download link from the description. It's a very simple thing. All you have to do is to follow the procedure and download it. So I color it with sky blue. Then go back to my text tool. So at this point here, shift key and your front arrow key, then you change the color from sky blue to white. That's what I did. Good. So having done that, then the position of the card holder here is creative director. You press Ctrl A to highlight it, then you turn down the font size to 6, then you change the color from black to white. So having done that, then go back to your pick selection tools, then you take it to where it's supposed to be at this point. Good. So the next thing I have to do here is I draw a straight rectangle here. A straight rectangle here. Good. So I color it with the sky blue. Good. That's what I did. So the next thing you have to do is to type the company name. So the company name is Exec Graphics Studio. What I'm going to do here now is that I'm going to copy it and drop it here for the sake of time. Bring to the front. Good. So this particular QR code also, I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to drop it here. Right click on it, arrange, bring to front to come. Then finally, all these text icon, call icon, and all other things, you have to copy everything. I'm going to drag it and drop here.